Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to disable junk email filter in Outlook 2022. So open Outlook. Now here guys you need to click on this drop down. Now click on junk email options. Now just guys you have to select this first option. No automatic filtering mail from blocked senders is still moved to the junk email folder. So select this first option, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the way to disable junk email filter in Outlook. Thanks for watching.